Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use InfinitePay.io on your mobile devices. Managing your finances on the go is convenient and InfinitePay.io offers a mobile friendly experience. So let's get started. To begin, download the InfinitePay.io app from the App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device. Once downloaded, open the app and log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Navigate through the app to explore its features. You can view your transaction history, check account balances, and manage payments directly from your mobile device. To make a payment using InfinitePay.io on your mobile, select the option to send money or make a payment option. Enter the recipient's details and the amount you wish to send. You can also manage invoices, set up recurring payments, and track your payment status all from the convenience of your mobile device. Ensure your mobile device is secure by enabling biometric authentication or a PIN code within the InfinitePay.io app for added security. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use InfinitePay.io on your mobile devices. Whether you are at home or on the go, InfinitePay.io offers a seamless experience for managing your financial transactions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.